Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here in Kashipur for attending my friend's wedding. In today's video I'm going to create a guest wedding makeup look, which is this right here. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, so please keep watching the full video. So for the primer I'm going to use Bobbi Brown Moisturizer Plus Primer.
कैसे तो मैं पर हो गया है ना.
We're gonna mix it.
Mix it.
For foundation I'm using Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Natural.
आयु मेरी आदि जाता है. आप इसमें बोलते तो ये समझ आता है.
I'm using my beauty blender to mix my foundation.
Yeah, I brush is here
And Mahi is using her brush for mixing
और
it.
my hair is.
Now for the concealer, I'm using Bobbi Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer in shade Warm Natural. For creating the base, I'm going to use this shade. For my crease, I'm going to use a dark brown shade.
और my also dark से कहाँ इधर.
Now I'm going to use the purple shade.
Yes, I'm using purple shade.
For that I'm going to use my fingers because fingers doesn't absorb
Purple
any
है ये?
product. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to mix it. For the eyeliner, I'm using Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner from Maybelline. Now with the help of an angled brush, I'm going to use the same shade to my lower lash line. Now for the contouring, I'm going to use a brown shade. For the blush, I'm using first
Mama,
SATIN from Colorbar. Now for setting everything on place, I'm using compact from Colorbar in shade Nude Beige.
Okay, you're done or not?
Okay, you can use brush.
Brush?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm adding a little bit more blush. For the highlighter, I'm using Master Chrome in shade Molten Gold. The lip liner, I'm using Color Essence. For the lipstick, I'm using Dior in shade 888. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes.
Okay. Oh, really?
For the mascara, I'm using Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Colorbar. I hope you enjoyed this. For your convenience, I have listed all the products in the description box below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It will only help my channel to grow. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.